Alright, so we are replacing the clutch cable right now. Here's the old one. I already took it off. It was a real pain to get out of where it actually connects to the clutch, and this thing is barely moving, so I think I might have more issues than just the clutch cable here. Gonna route the new line the same way. I'm not taking the tank off. I'm not taking the plastics off. It should be pretty straightforward. The other one slid through this yellow tie down there. I have another tie down, so not too worried about it. And we'll route it up through behind there, straight into here. I'm currently putting the handle on, so I'll at least have that on when I route the cable. It'll be good. Check back in when it's done, I guess. I don't know. Let me see. Is it not recording? What the fuck? Okay, so this guy's got to fit in here, and he does not want to. Well, we'll see if we can do it.
Thousand of those. And yeah, and I mean those kind of numbers are staggering. And displacement dirt bikes and
alright, clutch installed, clutch cable and lever. Yay, look at it, it does what it's supposed to do now. Hopefully we'll see if the clutch is fucked. Pride month, so you know we got the Pride month special lever on there. Up next is the throttle tube. It's all cracked, and the whole housing. I'm now gonna remove this guy. I don't know how exactly the throttle tube shit works to get it out, so I'm gonna pop the housing off, and then we'll take a look and replace it with that guy. I'm sure it'll be fine. Clutch installed, new throttle housing and tube and grip installed. The grip's a little bit too long, but I like this grip a lot. This was the only way I could get this tightened down, which is crazy, but I might figure out how to rotate it here and still get that one tightened. But I figured it out. I just tightened this one all the way first, and then rotated it and tightened this one. And she ain't going nowhere, so it's fine. Now I'm gonna test it out, see if what I did actually fixed anything, or if I just made it worse. The clutch is not releasing until it's like right there. There's too much play in the clutch. It releases about right there, so it has like that much slack is all. The perch adjuster is, the threads are all stripped. You probably can't see it, but I'm gonna get a new perch for it and a new handle / lever. The new throttle's on, works flawlessly. Yeah, that's the only update. Let's see, I replaced the skid plate because, oh shit, the music, because it was cracked, so it was making a really rattly noise. So this is an aluminum one, not steel. And a clutch lever, and I seem to have been able to adjust it correctly. So now the clutch works. I also replaced this throttle housing and tube and a new grip with this nibby one. Apparently they're super popular products for these SSRs. I have another throttle cable, but I was too lazy to replace it. Back brake works, front brake works, choke works, carb is running great, kickstart works. I think everything just works now. I spent $800 on the pit bike, and then I've spent around $100 on parts to make it not perfect, but like everything works. It's fine. I'll be able to ride it for a while without thinking about it now. So that's what, $900 total. Not too shabby. Start doing some wheelie practice now that I have a clutch and a rear brake. Two very important things for someone who doesn't know how to wheelie like myself. I am sweaty as fuck. I also put an East Coastin' sticker on here because it's a Harley.